Okay, alright, so winner of the contest, which you guys have seen all over Facebook and YouTube. So the winner is Hey guys, what's going on? Jeremy here, back again with another video. Sorry for the introduction here. Normally I start filming leaving the house, but it's been a crazy morning. I'm actually on the way to get some wrap work done on the Camaro. Apologies too on the car, extremely loud. I've still got to put the back seats in, but I just haven't had time. Hold on, probably gonna fifth gear and quiet this thing down a little. First things first, guys, make sure to watch this video all the way through. I'm going to announce the winner for the DinoWax contest. Basically, if you guys have been watching any of the videos past couple weeks, I have mentioned that I am giving away some of my favorite products from DinoWax for free. That includes free shipping. You're also going to get a DinoWax t-shirt and a Nasty 2SS t-shirt and a Nasty 2SS sticker, all for free. If you're seeing this now, it's already too late to enter. Contest is already over. What I need to do is go home tonight and go ahead and pick the winner. And one lucky person is going to get some really awesome products for free. So I cannot wait to announce the winner. It's going to be awesome. Hopefully this makes somebody really happy, and you can use the same products on your car that I use on mine, which personally I think are phenomenal. As far as getting a really good deep clean and a deep wax, DinoWax is the way to go. I'm heading from where I live out about an hour and a half away to go get my hood wrapped. I posted to my Instagram story, basically I'm looking for somebody to wrap my hood at an affordable cost. This guy reached out to me. He's I call it local because he is within an hour and a half. I used to live out that way, but we'll just call him that. A local photographer who's really good. I'll put a link to his Instagram down below so you guys can check him out. You can also search him at Carolina_rides. Really good photographer. He's got some awesome content on Instagram, and he is definitely hooking your boy up with this hood wrap. Anyways, guys, I am heading that way. I've got a very nice ride ahead of me, so I will see you guys back here shortly. All right, guys, here with Mitchell, getting the hood wrapped. The DIY heat gun. Shout out to Revlon. But he's got everything laid down pretty good already. I think he's going to work out some of the little air pockets, but for the most part, it's looking super good.
Yeah, because whenever I did this with my hand, it left a little handprint in there, and
oh yeah,
that up and it'll shrink itself out.
Definitely looking good though. So you open for business? Are you taking customers?
Maybe.
He might be taking customers. Hit him up. I've got a link to his Instagram in the description, so definitely seems like it's off to a good start.
Photo shoots and occasional vinyl stuff.
But he seems to know what he's doing better than I would. But that's why I brought it to him, and I'm not even going to try to do this. Man, that does look sick. Alright, well I'm going to let him do his thing. I'm just going to set the camera right here. We'll be back shortly. card got full, so I'm actually down the street and had to delete a couple videos, but back now to show you guys the wrap. Sorry, it's really bright out here. So you can see a couple little bubbles here. Hoping those will kind of work themselves out with the heat. I think they will. Should be good, but here's the final product. Matte black hood wrap. I think it looks pretty sweet, I ain't gonna lie to you. Alright guys, so all in all, I'm actually really satisfied with this. Bubbles are gonna bug me for a little bit, but those are obviously gonna come out. It's kind of pushing on them a little bit with the car warmed up and all hot, and they were already kind of starting to work themselves out. So I'm thinking hopefully by the time I get home, if not then, at least sometime later in the day, they should kind of work themselves out. And I'll probably kind of play with it a little bit when I get home. All right guys, so real quick, wanted to kind of follow up. Here's everything after it's kind of cured in the sun. See how good you guys can actually see this. That's a line from the garage door. Man, it looks really good. I mean really good. No more bubbles. The bubbles did end up curing. Just kind of let it sit outside for a little bit. Really tiny bubble here as I'm like making this wrap filthy. But that's it guys. I mean, it looks amazing. So big shout out to Mitchell. He did a killer job on this hood wrap. Very clean. Besides the finger marks and all that that I've put on it, I mean, it's really good. So thanks again, man. The wrap looks really good. Extremely happy with it. Guys, go check him out on Instagram. Like I said, link in the description. But that's it, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. And right here, I'm actually going to roll a video. This is going to be me and Holly picking the winner for the contest. So I'm going to announce your name on here. After this video goes up, I'm going to put it on Facebook too. Whoever wins, you've got a week to go ahead and claim this prize. If you don't claim it by then, I'm going to pick another person. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we are now, my phone was ringing. I had to start over. Butters and the other weird cat are over there.
Evie.
Holly has my hat, so I'm bald. And I don't not wear hats in my videos, but besides the point, Holly has my hat that's supposed to go on my head, but it has everybody's name who entered the contest. So she's shaking them up now very well. Very well.
Okay.
Anyways, so Holly's gonna pick a name out of here, and that's who's gonna win the contest. Actually, I'm gonna place the order very soon, but I actually added a couple extra things to it. Nothing crazy, but you could say
I don't know.
When I ordered these, I didn't know it didn't come with the little nozzles, the triggers, so I ordered 2 of those, which will go on the Spray Shine and the Saturday Night Fragrance, which smells amazing. Even the wax smells good. That's what Holly's favorite part was.
The pink one?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, people are getting mad. They're like, I just picked them. So, did that and then added a little microfiber brick, I think they call it. But that's pretty much it. Just add more stuff because I wanted to. But okay, go ahead and reshake it because the conversation. Okay.
Camaro time.
Camaro time. That's Pete. All right. I'm
oh,
good with
am
that.
I supposed to show? You said I was supposed to.
Yeah, let's show. Hold on, I'll focus. We're doing one
continuous recording.
Yeah, one continuous recording, so it doesn't look like we edited. Oh, they saw my PJs. All right, hold on. Let me focus. Oh, it's focusing on you. Manual focus. Camaro time. That's you, Pete. We're gonna do something really random. One thing though, Camaro time, Pete. Pull him out.
I did.
No, he's got his other name because
Oh.
he entered twice, which I did say that is fine. You can enter twice. It obviously doubles your odds, but look for Pete in there.
It's gonna be like the last one I would
Pete
there.
D.
Bruh. Oh, am I supposed to?
Yeah.
Well, cut that part.
Okay, all right. So
you
we
just like bleep me.
we pulled Pete. We pulled your other, well, your actual birth name. We pulled that out. So, well, it might count because he's got that little.
I mean, he did it twice.
He's got that little twin thing going on YouTube. So he there might be two of you.
Two shirts.
I don't know. Anyways, So she's gonna pick one more. This is completely random, but we're gonna draw one more name, and this person's just gonna get a free T-shirt and free sticker. I just wanted to kind of. I felt bad just picking one person. I don't know. I can't pick everyone, but one more person, and this person gets a free T-shirt and a sticker. So. Dennis! I think that's right. Dennis, bruh. So, and he actually, that's going to be 2 shirts because he's got a son named Gage. That's 2.
Do you have a small one?
I don't know. Dennis, let me know what size shirt you wear and what size shirt your son wears, and I'm going to send you that. I'm going to send you, yeah, whatever size you wear, whatever he has. All I have, the smallest, is a medium. So if he can fit a medium, that'd be cool. Yeah.
If not, he'll have a really big shirt.
Yeah, if not, whatever. I can send one shirt to you, or I imagine he probably wants one too, so we can send them both out. So just let me know what sizes, and I'll just send out one sticker, because he doesn't have a car yet. So, I mean, he could put it like in his room or something. We'll send out 2 stickers, so. Alright, well, Camaro Time, check him out on YouTube. Also, make sure to go check out Father and Son Camaro Time. I think it's kind of funny. It's like Pete's Camaro Time and then Father and Son Camaro Time are the 2 winners. So make sure to check out him and his son Gage and follow their build on their Camaro. Really nice car, good content. Definitely check them out. That is it. Those are the well, 1 winner, and then the runner-up gets free T-shirt or T-shirts in this scenario and 2 stickers. So. Everybody who participated, really do appreciate it. Probably going to do some more in the future. If you guys want to, I mean, I would imagine people would want to win some free stuff. I want to.
Everybody wants free stuff.
Yeah, so. But that's it, guys. As always, like, share.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. See you guys next time.